How to create a PowerPoint presentation on Samsung. In this video, I'll show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation on your Samsung phone. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. Download and install the app, then open it and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, tap plus icon to create a presentation. You can choose a blank presentation or select a template. For this tutorial, I will choose a template. After opening the template, tap the text boxes to add your title and subtitle. You can also select the text to change the font, size, color, and alignment. To add another slide, tap the plus icon. You can then add text, images, shapes, and other elements to your presentation. If you want to change a slide's layout, open the Layout option and select the style you need. To preview your presentation, tap the Play button and swipe through the slides. Once you're finished, use the Save option to save your presentation. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create a PowerPoint presentation on Samsung. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, Samsung tips, and step-by-step tech guides.